Today we are going to make Asian vegan beef lettuce cups. These lettuce cups use Beyond Burger instead of beef to make them all plant-based and extra healthy. So let's get cooking, but don't forget to watch all the way to the end for my neuroscience nutrition nugget about why these lettuce cups are so good for you, as well as my Simple is Smart SIS tip for making these lettuce cups. We are going to begin by cooking 1 cup of the sweet pink rice and 1 cup of the black forbidden rice according to the package instructions. While the rice is cooking, let's go ahead and make the Asian beef wraps. Here's my SIS Simple is Smart tip. Instead of using brown or white rice in your vegan beef lettuce cups, use pink or forbidden black rice. I used both in this recipe. It's so healthy for you, and I will tell you why it's also great for your brain. We are going to julienne some carrots. I have a julienne peeler that I use to make my julienne carrots. Love this peeler. It makes such great even pieces of julienne matchstick carrots for garnishes or even for a salad. My website has a link to where you can purchase this peeler. Once you get a half a cup of the julienne carrots, go ahead and also thinly slice a half a cup of scallions. Next, you're going to want to mix 2 tablespoons of soy sauce with 2 tablespoons of Hoisin Sauce. To make the filling for the Asian lettuce wraps, brown the vegan beef on medium heat. It takes about 4 to 5 minutes. Break it up with your spoon, stir it around until it is all nicely browned. Once it's nicely browned, go ahead and add 1 cup of your diced onions, about 10 ounces of finely chopped baby bella mushrooms, and stir that together. Let it cook until all the moisture is absorbed. In addition to that, you're going to want to add 2 cloves of minced garlic, a couple of tablespoons. Prior to starting, you want to have mixed 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and your 2 tablespoons of Hoisin sauce together. Pour that in on top of the mixture. Add a couple of teaspoons of fresh grated ginger, a couple of teaspoons of green dragon or Siracha sauce if you like it a little bit more spicy. Stir that together and let it cook for about 4 minutes. Now it's time to check your rice. It should be cooked by now, and remove your vegan beef mixture from the stove. Let's go ahead and assemble your Asian beef vegan lettuce wraps. Take 1 of your pieces of Boston Bib lettuce and add about a heaping tablespoon of the black rice, a heaping tablespoon of the pink rice, a heaping tablespoon or 2 of the vegan beef mixture, and then garnish it with your matchstick carrots, your scallion slices, a little cilantro, and top that whole delicious mixture with a sprinkle of sesame seeds. It's ready to eat. This recipe makes about 18 Asian vegan beef lettuce wraps. You can assemble enough at a time, and then you can serve them buffet style and let everyone assemble however many lettuce wraps they want and put the ingredients they want into them, or you can all pre-assemble them all ahead of time and serve them pre-assembled. Either way, they are delicious. And now it's time for our neuroscience nutritional nugget. The rice in this recipe is both sweet pink rice and forbidden black rice. The sweet pink rice is loaded with iron. If you have a vegan diet, sometimes it's difficult to get enough iron in your diet, and sweet pink rice is a great way to add iron to your diet. Iron is important for your red blood cells' ability to carry oxygen throughout your body and to your brain. Remember, you need lots of oxygen in your brain if you are going to think clearly and have a healthy brain. In addition, the black rice in this recipe is loaded with a compound called anthocyanin. Anthocyanin is a phytonutrient that is found in blueberries, blackberries, and some of the dark-colored blue superfoods. This phytonutrient is a power antioxidant. In the memory centers of your brain, the hippocampus, the anthocyanin will act as a powerful antioxidant to help protect your hippocampus and your memory from oxidative stress. Scientists believe that Alzheimer's and some of the other dementias may be due in part to the oxidative stress on the hippocampus. Anthocyanins in both pink, actually, and black rice may help mitigate the damage of oxidative stress on the hippocampus. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. For more neuroscience nutritional nuggets, simple and smart tips, and healthy recipes, go to my website at growwithdrjoe.com.